Okay, so why STEM is that? First is, the teachers here are compassionate. I'm very proud to say that ang aking mga kasamang teacher, they teach not only the minds but also touch the hearts of every student. So we develop every student holistically. Second, STEM teach major or core subjects. So if you are good in these subjects, you have greater opportunities in having a scholarship. There are a lot of scholarships. You can acquire the DOST, the JED scholarship, and others if you enroll here in STEM. And of course, the last one, under STEM, we have many opportunities in college wherein if you study these courses under STEM like nursing, medicine, engineering, architecture, you have greater chance of employment. Makakatrabaho kayo at with that, you will have a good job, good friends, good life, and enjoy life.